Jackie Chan. Yeah. Welcome to Travel Shots Live, where I bring you unedited footage of all the places that I travel. Where am I at? Well, I'm in Belgrade, Serbia now, but I'm at the bullet train railway station. They call it Coco, which when you translate it means the Falcon. These trains were co-built with China and Russia, and these suckers move 200 kilometers per hour, translate to miles, 125 miles per hour. I can't wait to get on this train. So I'm leaving for a brand new location. I'm not telling you yet, but you will find out shortly. So I just wanted to show you the station itself. I just got passed through the main lobby, but I'm going to show you coming in, and we're going to figure out how to get to the actual track line. It's my first time here, so here we go. Whoop. Alright. They told me tracks. My number is 7. Track 7 is up ahead. This is the main lobby where you enter. You get your ticket. Oh, can't tell you. I know you can't hear me. You get your ticket and you scan it right there. All right. Now, platform 4 says to the right. Go to the right and then go down. And then why do they have an escalator? Oh, you could take an escalator. Let's just do that. You could take the stairs or the escalator. All right. Okay, let's save a little time. Let me walk. It's tricky. Okay, we're down where the tracks are. I was hoping to show you a train. There we go. Track 7, but I am 552. Even though it's track 7, I'm actually 552, so I gotta find 552. I see people are waiting down here. I guess they have snacks down here. So this is fairly new. This has been built about a year ago. As you can see, there's some usage on here. No smoking. What does this say? Track 7. That's 549. Where is 552? I think this whole thing is for that. Okay, well, I'm gonna figure it out. As you can see, they're all different tracks. Too bad I can't see a train rolling through here. But man, this sucker moves. I was hoping to hear one coming through. All right. Anyway. Too bad I can't catch a train in action, I'm sorry. But at least this gives you an idea of what this railway station actually looks like, okay? So, as we get going, I'll try to film a little bit on the train, okay? I got a first class ticket, so I'm pretty excited about it. My ticket costs 15 euro one way, Well, no, 15 American dollars, $30 round trip. Yeah, something like that. Not bad. Anyway, thumbs up, thumbs down if you like the video. Got any comments? Drop me a comment. I'll get to you as soon as I can when I get to my new location. Subscribe or don't subscribe, it's up to you. And share the video with the world. And stay tuned for the next one. I love you and peace out.